Hey everyone, Caviar, a luxury electronics brand, is entering the e-bike market with a stunning product that blends Porsche elegance with sumptuous appearance features. The Herzog, their most recent invention, is an upgraded Porsche e-bike Cross 3rd Gen that raises the bar on luxury in the electric bike industry. With its stunning 18K gold and golden carbon fiber components that take its appearance to an unheard new degree of opulence, the Herzog is truly a sight to behold. Caviar brings their trademark touch to the world of e-bikes, showcasing their experience in premium customizing. This isn't Caviar's first venture into the realm of high-end customization. They've built a reputation for transforming ordinary gadgets into extraordinary works of art, catering to a clientele that values sophistication and exclusivity. With nearly 40% of their customers owning a Porsche vehicle, the Herzog seamlessly aligns with the discerning tastes of luxury enthusiasts. At its core, the Porsche e-bike Cross 3rd Gen is renowned for its performance, featuring a robust Shimano motor, striking appearance, and a smooth riding experience. Caviar builds upon this foundation by infusing elements of extravagance, turning each Herzog into a symbol of prestige and refinement. The craftsmanship behind the Herzog is nothing short of meticulous. It takes months of intricate work to seamlessly integrate the gold-plated accents, showcasing Caviar's dedication to delivering perfection in every detail. This level of artistry is bound to captivate collectors and connoisseurs alike, making the Herzog a coveted addition to any luxury collection. The name Herzog holds a deeper meaning for aficionados of Porsche's heritage. It pays homage to the Württemberg Dukes, whose legacy is intertwined with the city of Stuttgart, the birthplace of Porsche. This historical knot adds an extra layer of significance to an already illustrious creation, further cementing the Herzog's status as a timeless masterpiece. By the end of the summer, Caviar hopes to have the technical specs for the Herzog e-bike finished. The bikes are expected to go on sale in early 2025. At $44,000, the Herzog is attractively bundled with a brand new iPhone 16 with a distinctive Caviar appearance. The gold-plated Caviar Porsche e-bike Cross 3rd Gen, also called the Herzog, is essentially a combination of state-of-the-art appearance, fine craftsmanship, and an extensive historical background. It is the epitome of luxury, providing those who value better things in life with an experience that is singular and unmatched. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.